Today's house embraces with elegance, a 12-meter elevation difference between the upper entrance and the lowest point of the site. Its volume seems to converse with the topography, revealing city views from the lookout square while hiding its intimate spaces behind forms that interact with trees and concrete. Located in São Paulo, next to a tree-lined square, Camboriú House meets the sloping terrain, urban vegetation, and views of the Serra de Cantareira. The house connects with its surroundings through concrete, glass, and natural light, negotiating height, shade, and panorama. At the lowest point of the site, there is a multi-purpose space with an independent entrance, a choice for future versatility, autonomy, and adaptability. Descending one level leads to the patio with a swimming pool. The social area opens generously to the landscape, allowing the living room, kitchen, veranda, and patio to connect visually and physically, forming a continuous and welcoming space. Concrete dominates as both structural and aesthetic element, providing solidity. Carefully positioned openings control sunlight and frame views, while floors, balconies, and brise-soleils contribute to the ambiance and visual rhythm. Circulation flows smoothly from the high entrance through the spacious social zone, integrating interior and exterior, and down to the private spaces. The lower floor houses 3 bedrooms, ensuring privacy and acoustic comfort away from street noise. The effort to keep the house's volume in dialogue with the topography is reflected in the transitions between levels, elevating views and modulating light as the sun moves. At the main access, from the upper part of the lot, the lookout square unfolds, revealing the city beyond. The atmosphere of the house is one of amplitude with restraint, of privacy with openness. Moments of contemplation emerge. The gaze that travels across the veranda toward the city, reflections in the pool, afternoon light filtering through the trees, softness contrasting with the clear geometry of the forms. Camboriú House is not merely a home on a challenging site. It demonstrates how form, purpose, and landscape can unite. It is architecture that respects the lot, responds to its surroundings, and offers visual, spatial, and acoustic comfort while maintaining contemporary design and elegance, a balance between boldness and warmth.